This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making braised chicken mushroom with angelic root or Dangquai. Angelic root or Dangquai in Mandarin or Dangquai in Cantonese has been used for hundreds of years as a spice, a tonic, and as a medicine in China, Korea, and Japan. It is still commonly used today in traditional Chinese medicine or TCM. It is said to promote blood circulation and optimize the immune system. Dangquai is also known as the female ginseng. That's because it is said to relieve menopause symptoms, menstrual cramps, and migraine. For this dish, I have here some dried shiitake mushrooms that has been rehydrated. You can soak the mushrooms in water for a few hours or overnight. Reserve the mushroom soaking water, as we will use this as the base for our stock. I also have here one whole chicken that has been cut up into smaller pieces. You can use any chicken parts you like, but preferably with the bone in, because bone in means better flavor. For the herbs, this is the angelic root. It has a very strong flavor and a little goes a very long way. So if this is your first time using this root, use less of it. For this recipe, I'm using about 2 grams, so you may want to cut it down to about a gram. We'll also need some red dates and some wolfberries. For the aromatics, I have here some garlic that I've smashed up and have removed the skin. I also have here some sliced ginger. For the sauce, this is 250 ml of the mushroom soaking water. If you have accidentally discarded the mushroom soaking water, you can use chicken stock instead. Add in oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, some sugar, and fish sauce. Give all this a good mix. And set it aside. To stir fry, put your pan over a medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in the oil. And when the oil is hot, add in the chicken. Toss the chicken around till most of the surface turns white. If the pan is a bit dry, add in some more oil. Next, add in the aromatics. That's the ginger and the garlic. Add in the mushrooms as well. Now, fry the chicken till they are slightly brown. Something like this. Next, pour in the sauce. Then, add in the herbs. That's the angelic root, or the Dangquai, and the red dates. Do not put in the wolfberries at this point. Bring all this to a boil. Then, lower the heat to a simmer. Cover and simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes till the chicken is cooked. If within this 10 to 15 minutes the water dries up, simply add in more water. After about 10 to 15 minutes, the sauce would have thickened and there should be only a little sauce left at the bottom of the pan. Toss in the wolfberries and let it simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, the wolfberries would have plumped up and increased in size. Something like this. Next, taste and adjust for seasoning. You should be able to taste some bitter undertones from the angelic root. When it tastes the way you like it to be, turn off the heat. Next, swirl some Chinese cooking wine around the sides of the pan. Give all this a good mix and we are done. This is braised chicken mushroom with angelic root or Dangquai